Heyo, it's me Harper Savage, and today I'm doing a diamond painting. It's a unicorn. It's not like a full diamond painting, it's just the image in the center. So there's really not a whole lot to this one. I just wanted to do a diamond painting because I felt like it. It was also easy to pack because I am away when I'm doing the recording of this video. I seem to only be able to record when I'm away anymore. But yeah, unfortunately this voiceover might not be too long just because I am crunched for time. I have 20 other things I have to do before this video needs to go out, so bear with me. I pretty much just do the diamond painting in the number order it provides on the key. I do the black pieces first because it's 1, and then 2 is white. And then, I do 3, 4, 5 in number order, nothing spectacular or special. But yeah, it is a diamond painting. There's really not a whole lot to talk about here with it. Other than it's just basically a time lapse of something that took me 2.5 hours to do in one sitting. It's a very small diamond painting. It's not massive or anything. And it's round drill heads, so it's, in my opinion, a bit easier than the square ones. I kind of regret not bringing my multi-head stylus with me because it could have been done a whole lot quicker, but I didn't because I was trying to pack light, and by light I mean I brought a whole extra box of stuff to work on. Other than my 2 suitcases I brought with me. You would think I was moving or something with how much crap I actually ended up bringing on this house-sitting trip. Spoilers, I didn't get all the projects I wanted done and I barely recorded, but you will see the next couple of videos will have a different background than my norm. That's because I'm away house-sitting. Biff. It was Biffcation. You can check out my last diamond painting video if you want to hear more about Biff, I guess. I'm not actually sure if I talked about him, but I'm pretty sure I talked about being away. But yeah, this was just something small and easy to pack and bring with me. I figured I would record it because it's been a really long time since I've done one of these. I have a better quality camera this time, so hopefully it doesn't look as bad as last time. I am a little disappointed that I didn't get more done on this particular house-sitting vacation because I was, hoping to have a huge stockpile when I got back, and here I am literally doing the voiceover hours before this video is supposed to go out. I did not have any time, even when we came back, to do anything. If you're curious, I house sit a cat. Every once in a while, I still go to work. I don't have a real vacation, I still have to go to work. It's just fortunate that my uncle's house is way closer to our locations for work, so I get to sleep in a little bit. But yeah, there's nothing else too spectacular to really talk about here. It's a diamond painting, there's really not much to it, so I'll go ahead and leave you guys to some music, and I'll see you at the end. Don't worry, I know it looks like I forgot a diamond there at the end in the nose, but I do see it before I pack everything up, and it now has a diamond there. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTubey things of comment, liking, and subscribing. And I will see you guys again real soon. Bye bye!